What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2015 Maserati Ghibli, and in this short video I want to show you how to replace your light bulb. All the information that I found was you need to move the front bumper to replace the light bulb, but I don't want to do extra job and I want to save you some time to do this. Like, your first thing is gonna be easy job, but on this car is not easy. So I start to move in some parts and I see I can do it without moving the front bumper. So I'll show you what I did. First, I removed this cover right here under the fender, and now I can see the ballast over there. And here's 10mm bolt right here, one clip there, and I moved this plastic. There's 4 clips holding it, and one bolt right here. So I make this light loose a little bit, so maybe I can turn just a bit to get to those 4 bolts on the back, and it's not gonna be easy. 2 of them I can access it. This one and that one on top, but for another 2 I'm gonna use the smallest wrench that I bought at Amazon, or I don't remember. And this set of tools that you can see, it is gonna be I don't know, T15, something like that. So I'll try to move that. Lose 2. So I removed those 3, one right there, one on top, and one here. And here's the hole that I can stick my screwdriver through it and move the last bolt, and I should be able to move this ballast to replace the light bulb. So my screwdriver was too short to do that, so I need to use some extensions from this set, and we will see if it's gonna work out. So guys, I made this kind of extension to reach that fit. So guys, now the ballast out, you just need to disconnect those connectors and there's your light bulb. That's why I move this bolt to make the headlight loose, because you need some wiggle room to do that. Now your light bulb gonna be behind. You just twist it to the left. Here's your light bulb, and I can see it's bad. It's not a cheap light bulb. So guys, in this Maserati is not the cheapest light bulb, and also you need to move the bumper to replace it, so it's time consuming. That's why I show you this video, to save you a little bit of time. I'm doing this first time, but I thought like I can figure out how to do without removing the bumper, because it's also not easy on this car. And I think 10 or 15 minutes job is better than hour and a half. So thank you for watching, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.